Well, everyone, there was kind of this like a little bit of an update that we could kind of give through about the Samsung Galaxy S10. Now, number one, this is a bit of an older iPhone or a bit older Android phone as a lot of people can expect. So this thing is not really getting, One UI 8, but the interesting thing is that in a way, I did kind of feel like this phone, as it stands right now, could probably handle One UI 8. Now, I don't mean that this phone should be getting it or this phone, is going to be getting it, but I feel like it could have gotten it and it would have been totally fine. This phone ended off with one of the earlier versions of One UI, right? So it wasn't the latest one, but it was a couple of versions in. And with the Galaxy S10, you have to remember, this is a phone that still visually looks very, very good. Like this phone still looks like a very, very beautiful phone. You're still getting a massive display, hole punch display, wireless charging, reverse wireless charging, still a lot of really cool, interesting things going on for this type of device. So I look at this phone, I'm still a very big fan of it. But I will tell you, for the most part, when you are going through and buying something like a Samsung Galaxy S10, you have to remember it's no longer getting updates, maybe a security update here and there randomly. But with the One UI 8, with the features that this particular version of software brought, with the capability of this phone, I do feel like in some ways, Samsung could have supported these phones, and if you gave me a Galaxy S10 with a One UI 8 on it, the latest version of Android, I feel like that's still a phone a lot of people would buy. Big, display, curved sides, you're getting that, triple camera setup on the back. There's still a lot of really good capability with that headphone jack and that micro SD card slot. So it's a beautiful phone. I love it a lot. I wish it got One UI 8. Unfortunately, it didn't, but that's kind of where we're at. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.